Hey, this is it, bro. Dropped off in our big thing. Cheers. Hey, I'm excited. Let's go.
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller nuggets. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah.
We just jumped off a plane. You guys ready? Know where we are? Probably flying yourself. Where's Miami, baby?
Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Motivation to youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili. From young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach.
Hey, this is it, bro. Dropped off in our big thing. Cheers. Hey, I'm excited. Let's go.
Either way, follow these.
Alright, it's the next day. Didn't record much yesterday because we just got back and unpacked. Got some food and went to sleep. But me and the missus going to the beach. It's literally 2 blocks and we're there. So gonna do some cool cinematics to show you the place off a little bit. So I'll catch you in a sec.
Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. You can't be me.
Day 2, we're now in South Beach. I'm gonna walk around and see the spots where they recorded step up and shit. But just gonna see how the beach is for now. Just trying to get there. 30 minutes on the bus. $2.25. Not bad. Not bad. I'll play the sequence, show you off the place. Some nice tunes.
Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time. I'ma make time if you make time. I just wanna see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you. I just wanna spin the block with you. I just wanna spend some nights with you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. Only if you say so.
She said come to Walmart. She said it'll be fun.
Having a barbecue.
Barbecue. Fuck it out. I'm not gonna lie though. This place has everything. Like, it's your Tesco home base, or whatever you want. Boots. That doesn't sell shoes.
You're gonna tell them about the smoke break you had to take in the middle.
Yeah, I had to take a smoke break because we was here for fucking 2 hours. Just walking around and picking up random shit.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1.